Bago ang mga maaksyong auditions, sinimulan muna namin ng judges ang araw sa mga random na usapan backstage.
Wow, pare.
Good morning.
My Freddy! My Freddy! My Freddy!
Take note, ha?
Lovely, darling.
Oh my God!
Na kami nag-hi kay Mr.
So
Jean,
fresh.
diretso siya kay FMG. Kahit masama lahat eh. Paano kayo naghanda for like, usually, paano kayo naghanda for the morning? Kasi parang you woke up like that.
Wow!
Ganda.
Ito ba?
Oo. Malistic
I'm a
vibes.
morning person.
You are?
Yes. So in the morning, I always go to my tennis. I play tennis. So I like to sweat in the morning.
What time is that?
So you start your day with tennis?
Like so I wake up at 6 and then sometimes if the court is available as early as 7 or as early as 8.
Sometimes I try to wake up earlier than usual. Before I used to wake up at 10, 11. Now, mga 9.
Ako, morning, 1 hour ako tulala. Yun lang talaga.
Well,
Bakit?
lang.
Go, kasi sobrang, kailangan parang mag-recharge, mag-warm up, ganun din.
Yeah.
Hindi ko kaya na paggising ko, trabaho na kaagad, work na kaagad, or tennis kaagad.
Yeah.
Sir, are you a morning person?
No, no.
Ah, you're not.
No, but you know, when you're old, you're forced to wake up.
Do you eat breakfast, FMG? Or coffee ka lang?
Sometimes when I'm really hungry,
Okay.
I would have my Filipino breakfast.
Oh, so you mean
Yes.
sinangag?
Sinagang tuyo.
Tuyo, tinapa.
Yes!
Kamatis. I love tinapa.
Ang random ng kwentuhan na uwi sa usapang bet na pets.
Mahilig ka ba sa animals? May alaga ka bang hayop?
Wala.
Wala. Eto na lang. Sino yung dog before? Sino yung huling taong tinawag mong hayop?
Ayop ang dating. Yeah, yeah, yeah.